Hello, my name is Sam Kitson, and I will be presenting today my final project with my labor market analysis on the three careers that I have chosen. The first career I chose was a software developer. For this career, they design the technology and software that help run the world that we live in. It showed that it had a robust job market. Over 17,000 jobs were available in San Diego County alone in this past year, showing 11 to 12% growth over a 3-year period. What this tells me is that I will be sure to have jobs available in this field when my schooling is done in the next 4 years. That's encouraging. The pay was very good as well, $55 median hourly pay, which equates to well over a 6-figure salary, which even though San Diego is expensive, that does equate to a very livable wage in San Diego County. Employers are looking for these skills in this area: problem solving, critical thinking, communication skills, technical, and industry specific knowledge. Going to school will help me with the technical skills and industry specific knowledge, as well as getting internships and doing job shadows. For the other ones, those are called soft skills, which those I can develop on my own. This career requires a bachelor's degree. Career number 2 is an electrical engineer. I found this one interesting because it's a professional engineering discipline that deals with the application of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism, which I think would be a lot of fun, although it does also seem somewhat dangerous. Over 1,300 jobs were available in San Diego County alone. Now, this is not nearly as much as a software developer, but it's still a lot. And it shows a 15% increase in the last 3 years. So this tells me that this is a growing industry and there should continue to be jobs available for me. $56 an hour median pay, which is excellent. Again, over a 6-figure yearly salary. Similar skills required as a software developer: communication skills, problem solving, critical thinking, and technical and industry specific knowledge. It requires a bachelor's degree, so I could take care of the industry specific knowledge and the technical skills through the bachelor's degree and industry internships. And finally, physician's assistant, my third career choice. These are medical professionals who diagnose illnesses, develop and manage treatment plans, and prescribe medications. They can do most things a doctor can without needing to go to medical school, which obviously cuts down on school costs as well as insurance costs. There are over 1,200 jobs in San Diego alone, and this one shows a 22% job increase over the last 3 years. So I told them that there is stability in this field and there is a constant need. Median pay is about $50 an hour. So once again, over 6 figures a year, which is very strong. For this one, a master's degree is required. So I would have to take into account the additional 2 years of schooling when if I decide to go this route. And in this area, employers are looking for strong communication skills and technical knowledge. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation.